Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting developments in the drone world. And if you're passionate about aerial photography or videography, this update is going to grab your attention immediately. After months of speculation, it looks like the DJI Mini 5 Pro is closer than ever to an official launch. This isn't just another rumor or a blurry render floating around online. What has surfaced now is a fully sealed retail box of the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. The packaging looks authentic, with DJI's signature branding, professional quality printing, and multilingual labeling that mirrors what we usually see on global releases. When real boxes start appearing, it usually means that an announcement is just around the corner. What makes this leak even more noteworthy is that it's not showing the standard edition, but rather the Fly More Combo Plus package. For anyone who has followed DJI's product history, you'll know that these bundles are designed for serious drone users. They typically include everything you need to maximize your time in the air: additional intelligent flight batteries, a fast-charging hub, extra propellers, carrying cases, and other useful accessories. For content creators, travelers, or professionals working on extended shoots, these extras can be the difference between capturing the perfect shot or missing it due to a drained battery. One of the biggest highlights in this leak is the type of battery included. Instead of relying on the standard ultralight battery option, the Plus combo is shown with DJI's larger Plus batteries. These deliver significantly more flight time per charge, which is an enormous advantage for pilots who need longer sessions. Of course, there is a small catch. The increased weight of the larger batteries pushes the drone above the 249-gram category that many hobbyists appreciate. In certain countries, this means additional registration or compliance with aviation rules. While this may be a drawback for casual pilots, most professionals and enthusiasts will see it as a worthwhile trade-off for nearly doubling the airtime. Now, let's talk about the most eye-catching detail printed directly on the packaging: 52 minutes x3. This suggests that under DJI's test conditions, each Plus battery could deliver up to 52 minutes of flight time. To put that in perspective, the DJI Mini 4 Pro topped out at around 45 minutes with its extended battery. That means the Mini 5 Pro is taking a big leap forward in efficiency. With 3 of these batteries in the Fly More Combo Plus, users could enjoy over 2.5 hours of continuous flight before recharging. For compact drones, this is almost unheard of. Many mini drones in the same category struggle to even reach 30 minutes per flight. If these numbers prove accurate in real-world testing, DJI may have set a new industry standard. Another key upgrade shown on the retail box is the inclusion of the DJI RC2 controller. This is the same premium controller that DJI has been pairing with some of its higher-end drones. Unlike older models where you had to mount your smartphone, the RC2 comes with a built-in bright display designed to remain visible even in strong sunlight. Not only does this reduce clutter and eliminate the need for extra cables, but it also preserves your phone's battery life. For anyone who has ever struggled with screen glare or phone overheating during flights, this is a very welcome addition. The appearance of sealed units online strongly indicates that DJI has already started moving stock toward retailers. This fits perfectly with reports from industry insiders predicting a launch window in September 2025. If that timeline is correct, we are likely only weeks away from a full reveal, complete with technical specifications, flight demos, and official sample footage. Once real retail packaging is out there, it's usually a matter of time before full unboxings and early reviews follow. Of course, there are still some details we don't know. The packaging itself doesn't confirm camera specifications, obstacle avoidance improvements, or new AI-powered features. However, some sources are hinting that the Mini 5 Pro could include support for 4K video recording at 120 frames per second, an expanded transmission range for stronger connection stability, and advanced subject tracking modes driven by AI. If even a portion of these rumored upgrades are true, the Mini 5 Pro could easily become the most capable drone in the sub-500G category. It's also worth remembering DJI's broader strategy with the Mini line. Since the very first mini drone, DJI has been focused on balancing lightweight portability with professional quality results. With each new release, the company has pushed the boundaries further, giving users advanced tools in a compact frame. The The Mini 4 Pro already set a high bar with strong obstacle sensing, excellent image quality, and intelligent flight features. The Mini 5 Pro looks ready to elevate that standard even higher, combining extended flight times with advanced controls, and potentially next-level camera performance. For drone enthusiasts, this is a major development. Longer flight times mean more freedom to capture cinematic sequences, landscapes, and golden hour footage without the constant worry of swapping batteries. For travelers, the foldable design and lightweight build still make it perfect to pack into a backpack or carry-on. And for professionals, the combination of premium accessories, smarter flight systems, and powerful camera technology could make this drone a must-have tool for both photography and video production. The key takeaway here is simple: the appearance of a sealed DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo Plus retail box is one of the strongest signs yet that the official launch is imminent. Unlike earlier leaks that were based on concept images or unofficial rumors, this looks real and ready for distribution. DJI seems poised to deliver a drone that pushes the Mini series to a new level, blurring the line between compact consumer models and professional-grade tools. Stick with technology in the future because we'll be covering every new detail as it emerges, whether it's official camera specs, improvements in transmission technology, or the debut of new AI-powered flight features. If you're excited about the DJI Mini 5 Pro and want to stay updated with every leak and announcement, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the latest news. That wraps up today's breakdown. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of DJI's most exciting drone launches in years, and if this leak is anything to go by, we're only weeks away from finally seeing it in action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video right here on Technology in the Future.